is considered one of the most serious cases of elder exploitation in Nevada history. It is a case that 13 Investigates has been following now for years. And 13 Action News reporter Tom George was there as the defendants heard their fate, as well as the emotional reaction from their victims.
Isolation, theft, entire life savings depleted. Abuse is so horrific it's gained national attention, making Southern Nevada one of the worst examples in the country of how seniors can be treated. Our investigations are driving changes in the guardianship law, and today, a judge echoed that in a hefty sentence.
April Parks is a predator of the worst kind.
One after another.
I still have nightmares about what happened. I endured more than grief.
Victims and families destroyed by April Parks sharing their stories.
Everything had been taken away. I was stripped of everything.
Just a few of the hundreds of cases where Parks and her associates were court-appointed as guardians, like Rennie and Rudy North, forced into assisted living as Parks drained their bank accounts, isolating them from their daughter Julie.
I couldn't wrap my mind around the evilness of her soul. I've never experienced such a cold-hearted person in my life.
Rennie now has cancer and was too sick for court today, but Rudy was there, saying he's lucky he made it out alive when he says many others died under Parks' watch before this day came.
I once questioned her, the defendant, about how she felt about these deaths that she's accelerated. And you know what her answer was? You're born with an expiration date.
The most shocking revelation, multiple urns found in a storage locker containing the ashes of some former clients. Parks defending herself, saying through it all, her heart was in the right place.
Things could have been done better or differently, but at no time was anything done with an intent to harm. I truly had a passion for guardianship. I truly cared about these people, as did my staff.
But the judge didn't buy it and had a brutally honest message for Parks before doling out her sentence.
I cannot fathom how you think that the actions that occurred at the hands of you did not intend to bring any harm to anyone. These people that have scotch taped their shoes together, these people that are being charged for getting Christmas gifts, these people that don't have food to eat, how is that not bringing harm to them?
In the end, Parks received the maximum of 16 to 40 years, something victims' families say sends an important message. But they feel more work needs to be done to reform the court-appointed guardian system that's supposed to help protect the vulnerable.
We're not living back in the dark ages. There's no reason somebody should be kidnapped out of their home. So why would that be acceptable in a courtroom? So there needs to be newer laws.
But today, they say this is a step in the right direction.
And this is such a long journey, and going through this, we're all scarred, but it's encouraging. Let's just say that. It's encouraging. Now, Parks' business partner Mark Simmons and husband Gary Taylor both received maximum sentences for their roles in the scheme. Now, we did reach out to their attorneys for comment, but they either declined or didn't respond. Tom George, 13 Action News.